Hello student, how are you? Welcome you all again to the virtual classes by Jet Kids. You are learning in class 1. Our subject is maths and today we are going to see the topic chapter number 7. In previous video also we see the chapter number 7 and in this video we are going to continue with same chapter. So main topic for today's video is solids. Before that we will have a quick revision. Yes. In previous video you learned about different shapes: triangle, square, rectangle, circle and oval. Triangle, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. Square, it has 4 sides, 4 corners and all the sides are equal. Rectangle, it has 4 sides, 4 corners. 2 of its sides are long and 2 sides are short. And oval and circle have no sides and no corners. Do you remember? Yes. Now we will move to our topic, solids. Now for that student, you have to open your textbook page number 78. We see many things around us like the picture below. Now see the picture in your textbook also. Yes. What is this? This is a ball. Now a juice. Yes, juice box. What is it? Your favorite item? Yes, it is your birthday cap. Dice and matchbox. Yes. So these things you can see around you. You can see around, there are many things you can see, but they have different shapes. So now we will see the next page. Page number 79. We can see and feel these objects. Yes, you can see and feel the object. Yes, ball you can see, you can pick in your hand, feel. Also juice box or birthday cap you can, yes, hold in your hand, you can feel it, you can, yes, dice and matchbox also. So the things that we can see and feel these objects, yes, these are called solids. What are it called? It called solids. So what are they called? Okay, but like shapes, they also have different names. So what are their names? What the shapes are called, we are going to learn. So move to our first shape. Yes, this one. Any object you have seen like this? Yes, like this shape? Yes. Bottles and cylinder, candles. Yes, the shape is similar like this. Yes. So this shape is called cylinder. What is the name of this shape? Cylinder. Understand? So you can see around you the shape matching to this or objects matching to this shape. Yes, you can see bottles, cylinder, candles, many things are there. Also your pencil. Yes. Now we will move to our next shape. Yes, see the shape. Which objects matches to this shape? Yes, ball. Very good. So name of this shape is sphere. Yes, this shape is called as a sphere. Yes, and objects that match to the sphere. Yes, or in a shape sphere. Yes. Have you seen ball? Yes, it is of sphere shape. And any fruit like orange. Yes, it is also in a sphere shape. So this shape is known as sphere. Now we will move to next shape. See the picture? Yes. The shape is look like a box. Yes, box. The name of this shape is cube. It's a cube. What it is? Cube. Now you can see around you the shape. Yes, the object that matches to the cube. Yes, some boxes they match to the cube shape. Now we will move to our next shape. It is this shape is called as cuboid. What it is called? Cuboid. Now can you give me any example? Yes, with the same shape. Yes, your compass box many time in a cuboid shape. Yes, any box or your suitcase. These shapes, yes, these objects are matches to this shape. It's called cuboid. Now we will move to our next shape. What it is? Yes, it's a cone. It's a cone. So you can find many objects in a cone shape like your birthday caps, ice cream. Yes, ice cream cones. You like to eat ice cream cones? Yes. So this shape is known as or called as cones. So student, you understand about different solid shape. These shapes are called solid shapes. Yes, we can call them solids. Yes, the object we can see and feel those objects, these are called solids. So these shapes are called solid shapes. Which are they? Cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid and cone. The objects in these shapes like cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid and cone, we can see and feel them. Okay. Now we will see the next part. On the same page there is one exercise is given. See the exercise. Match the objects with the shapes similar to it. Now you have to see the objects and here some name of shapes are given. So what you have to do? You have to match the objects with the similar shape. Okay. Now see first one, ice cream cone. So it is given in its name, ice cream cone. So it is similar to the cone shape. It is similar to the cone shape. So you have to match the ice cream cone with the cone. Yes, shape cone. With drawing line. You have to match in your textbook. Now see the next object. What it is? It's a candle. Yes. Now see the shape of candle. And candle is similar to which shape? See the picture above the exercise in your textbook. Yes. The candle is similar to the cylinder shape. Which shape? Cylinder shape. So you have to match the candle with the cylinder. Okay. Match in your textbook. Now see the third object. Orange. What it is? It's a orange. And see the orange is similar to which shape? You can look at the picture above. So orange is similar to sphere shape. Which? Sphere. So match it orange with the sphere. Now see the next. A box is given. Yes. So what is the shape of that box? Yes, it's a cuboid, similar to cuboid. So match it with cuboid. Now see the last one. A gift box is given there. Yes. Now what is the shape of this gift box? Yes, it is in a cube shape. Yes, it is similar to shape cube. So you have to match this gift box with the shape cube. With the shape cube. Now you have to match this in your textbook. You have to copy down all answers in your textbook. Understand? Now student, we will see the next page. Turn your textbook page. Page number 80. Yes, one more exercise is given there. Observe the following picture carefully. Yes, one table is given and some objects are kept on a table. They are in different shapes, solids. Yes, solid shapes like cone, cylinder, cuboid, cube, sphere. Yes. So what you have to do, you have to first observe the picture very carefully. Now read the question below that, or yes. Can you identify many shapes in above picture? Write the names of the objects similar to the solids. Okay. Now you have to identify the shapes in the above picture. Yes. You have to identify different shapes in this picture, and then you have to write the name in the object similar to the solids. Some boxes are given: cylinder, sphere, cube, cuboid and cone, and below that some lines are given. So there you have to write the shapes that are similar, the objects that are similar to these solids or solid shapes. Okay. Now like this, one globe is given there. So what is the, yes, what is the shape that is similar to the object or globe? Yes, it is sphere. So you will write the globe, yes, below the sphere. Okay, in that column sphere. One again gift box is given. So what will you do? You will identify the shape and find it is similar to which shape and write in that column. So this one is your pH. You have to solve it by yourself. Okay, you can take a help of your parents, but try to solve it by yourself. Now below that one column is given, mind it. So you have to keep it in mind. Yes, yes, one object, circular object is given. This is a circle. Yes, you can look through it. Yes, so this is a circle having no sides and no corners. Yes, and next one is a, this is a sphere. Yes, see, this one is a circle and this one is a sphere. Now you can, yes, hold the sphere in your hand and feel it. Yes, circle you cannot feel, you can just hold in your hand, but you can feel the object sphere. Understand? So you have to keep in mind difference between circle and sphere. So student, in next video we will learn about straight lines and curved lines. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.